Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is KCFS Trader right here. And I urge you, if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video. Yeah, what's up? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be helping people who keep asking me about indicators, adding of indicators. Some people are new and you don't expect me that in all the videos I create, I should be teaching how to add indicators. That's why you see me, I'll just pull up the indicator or show you the settings instead of showing you the process of adding. So I will do that in this video. So if you don't know how to add indicators or how to add it below the chart, that is your window 1 or window 2 or 3, please, this video is for you. Okay, so and remember, I need to say this before I proceed. I only have one Telegram channel, which is KCFX Family. So any other channel, a lot of people, if you go to Telegram and search about KCFX, you are going to see a lot of channels and groups. Just know that I have only one channel, and I always link the drop the link in the description of my video. So I don't think you have any reason to blame anybody. So I've dropped this video before, and I'm creating this awareness again. I only have one channel named KCFX Family. Okay, yeah, we proceed with this video. What you need to do for you to add an indicator, first of all, we have our main chart here. As you can see, the candlesticks. You have our main chart. Then if you look up, you will see the F button right here, the F icon right there. Okay, that is the place you add your indicators. If you want to add any indicator, that is the place you add your indicators. So if you want to add indicator on your main chart, which is this place, if you want to add indicator on your main chart, you just have to go to that F button. Okay, you go to the F button, click on it, and it will open this way. You have all the indicators available here. Okay, now assuming you want to add moving average on the main chart, we just tap on moving average and click on done. Have you seen that the moving average have appeared here on the main chart? That is it. If you want to add Ichimoku, or you want to add let me say you want to add parabolic SAR on the main chart, you click on this parabolic SAR, just click on it, tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, you can see the settings. You can change the settings and click on done, and it have appeared on the main chart. As simple as that. So if you want to add, you just click on the F icon, then click on the plus button. Okay, once you click on the plus button up there, you will add any indicator of your choice. Okay, on the main chart. Now if you want to add indicator below the candlestick, that is the window 1, below the candlesticks down here, you want to add indicator somewhere here. Okay, there must be an indicator that you add that will create that automatically. So if I want to add indicator there, I will now click on this plus button and look for maybe MACD or RSI or stochastic or any of the maybe commodity channel index. Let me just use our normal RSI. If I click on RSI and add, you discover that it have created another window, which is window 1 down here. Okay, W1. Okay, down here. So you can now add indicators below the candlesticks. So the problem we have is that we just come here without adding any without adding our indicator window 1. We are adding our indicator on the main chart, and it will not show below. It will show on the chart on your candlestick. It will not show below the candlestick. So you have to add this window 1 first. Okay, you have to add this window 1 here first. Okay, once you add the window 1, you can be able to add any indicator through this plus button here under the chart. So if I want to add my moving average under the chart now, I can click on this plus button, the second plus button, guys. This second plus button here, I can now click on it, and I will look for moving average, and I will add done. Can you see that the moving average have appeared below the chart? Now if you want to add our window 2, okay, if you want to add more windows to our chart, we now click on this plus button here, this one here. Okay, we click on it, then look for maybe a stochastic and click on done. Once you click on done, you see that the stochastic have automatically been added here. Guys, the stochastic is here now between that chart. as in the stochastic and the RSI is at the same place, at the same point. So the stochastic carried by settings carries this 50. Now what we want to do is that, what if you want to add two windows below the chart? You want another chart up here. That's, you have one, then have this one. Okay, you want your moving average here, as we are seeing another, this moving average here. Now you want another one up here, making it maybe window 1 and window 2. So what do? Once you click on this F icon here, that's the indicator button, instead of, if you click on this plus button, you're definitely going to add any indicator with this under this window 1. That's where you are going to add. You are going to, if you click on this plus icon here, you will end up adding more indicator to the RSI window. But if you want to create another window, which is window 2, you click on the plus button here on the main chart. Okay, so if I should click here now and add my stochastic back, have you seen that we have created another window down here? So we now have our window 1 and our window 2 down here. Okay, so let me remove that stochastic I added. For you to remove, just click, once you come to the F icon, click on the delete button here. Once you click on the delete, it will give you a box will pop up. Then you check on any of them. So I'll click on this stochastic here. If I check on it, I'll then go back to that delete icon above and click on delete, and it will go. So if I go back to my chart, you can see there is no more stochastic in the in this our window 1 here. Okay, so this is how simple. If I want to add moving average here in our window 1, that is, sorry, window 2 here. If I want to add moving average, I want to add any other stuff down here, I can now come back to my F icon, tap on the window 2 F icon. This is the plus button there on the window 2. Then if I tap on it, I will now search for any other indicator. Like I can say alligator, and I click on done. You can see the alligator have appeared below. That is on our window 2. This is how simple adding. If I want to add more, you keep adding. If you want to add more, you can add window 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it will not be nice. Okay, so that's how to add indicators on the chart, guys. If you like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Smash that like button for me. Leave a comment if you have any question, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Enjoy.